Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 96. What is an equation of the ratio? So first of all, we see this is the line, so it's like linear equations. Right, so it will be y equal mx plus b. M is the slope, and then b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is when x equals 0. Now we have when x equals 0, we have y-intercept is 0, negative 8. So we have y equal mx minus 8. And we see that we have r negative 8 at the y-intercept, so we could not eliminate any, right? So now we can find how the slope, right? So we have right here, if we go up, the slope m is we go up, so positive 2 from negative 8 to negative 6, that's positive 2. And then we go to the left, so minus how many? It's 2 units as well. So this one will become negative 1. So we plug in negative 1 in front of x. So negative x minus 8, C is the right answer. By using the graphing technique, we can solve for this problem easy, right? We can solve for m by just calculate how many units up, how many units to the left. Then when it crosses that point is on the line, we can do it. If we choose something like right here, right? So we go up, how many units? 2 units, right? Then we go to the left, how many units from negative 8 to negative 10? That 2 units. That is, go to the left, so negative 2. Go up, so plus 2. You can try with any point on this one. So go up 2, go left 2. So y is go up and down, right? On the top is go up and down. At the bottom is go left and right. Go up, positive. Go down, negative. Go left, negative. Go to the right, positive. And in this case, you see that if you know like the slope trend, right? The trend of the slope is negative slope. If we have the next negative slope, we can eliminate D because it's not have the negative slope. Eliminate B because it's not have the negative slope. Then after you eliminate that too, you can just kind of plug in. You see that we have the x-intercept at negative 8, 0. We have y-intercept 0, negative 8. What is that point? Let me highlight it. Right here is your x-intercept. Right here is your y-intercept. Y-intercept is when you cross the y-axis. X-intercept is when the graph is cross the x-axis. Okay? So right here is your x-intercept, and right here is the y-intercept. Alright, now after you use the chain m, so you don't necessary to solve for m, right? So we can just saying that the negative, and now you plug in whatever A or C gives you the x and y intercept. With y intercept we already used is the same, so now we just plug in this one. Let's say for A, if y equals 0, is that negative 2 times negative 8 minus A equals 0? Of course not, right? So A could not be the right answer. Let's try this one. 0 equal negative of negative 8. That positive a minus a, that's 0. Yes. So this one is the right answer. This one, I either don't have to calculate it. But if you do, we have 16 minus 8 is a. Negative times negative, that's 16. Positive 16 minus 8 is a. And a is different from 0. So it's not matching, right? So the first one is you're looking for the chain of the slope. Is that negative, positive? You can eliminate some. You're looking for the y-intercept. Sometimes you can eliminate some, but in this case you cannot, right? So we use x-intercept instead, or we can just kind of pick like the two clear point. Clear point means you know exactly it's go through that point. Sometimes if not in scale, it's hard to use that, but in this case it's easy, right? Or you can plug in. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.